Hey fellow Diecast collectors and subscribers, just wanted to do a quick video here. This is the 88 Civic, or excuse me, the 88 CRX. I keep calling it a Civic CRX that I got last week. I think I got 4 of them, so I'm gonna bust one of these open, take a closer look at it. But before I do, I just want to let you guys know I've been working a lot, so I haven't downloaded any videos lately, so it's been tough for me to do any Hot Wheels hunting. So I'm trying to sprinkle in a few of these unboxing videos while I got a chance. So let's get started. Let's bust this open, take a closer look at it. Oh man, if I can get this thing open. Okay. Alright, here we go. Take a look at this thing. Really nice. I'll put it on the, I usually use this and have it rotating, but I'm not gonna have it rotate right now because it kind of makes some noise. But I'll kind of spin it around a little bit. That's a beautiful looking little car. Nice gold rims on it. Really sweet looking. Look at that. That's a very popular casting for 2019. I was lucky enough to find 4 of them. I mean, they're not limited or nothing, not treasure hunts. So detailed though, look at that. It's got all the lights in the back. Beautiful, beautiful. Awesome looking car. Yeah, I was just wanting to get a video out and let you guys know that I have done some hunting, but I'm telling you right now, they're just duds. I mean, I go into I could probably count 10 places that I've went to try to make a video, and it's all the same stuff. So I'm not going to just re-show, unless I see a treasure hunt or something, or like the other day at Walgreens, I found the exclusive, I'll do a video. But there's many times I've went in to do videos and I just haven't even done them because we just don't get any 2020s here. It's amazing how long it's taken for us to get some. We're getting a few sprinkled in, but not many. But so I figured I would just sprinkle in some of these videos to let you guys know that I am still out there hunting. I just don't want to bore you guys with the same stuff over and over and over, unless it's something like this. You know, this is, if I find a cool casting that's popular, I'll show it. But isn't that nice, guys? That is really nice. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. Want to do a quick video and show you this Honda CRX, and also give you guys an update what's going on. I am out there hunting some, but I've been working a lot, so it's kind of been tough to do a lot of videos. But here we are, December 3rd. 2019, we got less than a month to find out what happens on January 1st. So I'm just going to keep my channel up. I mean, I'm just going to put each video is not for kids. I mean, not directed at kids, you know. They need a general tab, like we've talked about many times. I've watched a bunch of videos. So I don't know. I'm just going to keep posting. There's a lot of my subscribers are, like I said in the last video, a lot of my subscribers are adults who collect, who've been collecting for years, as many of your channels are the same way. So, but thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I appreciate it. It makes it worth it to go out and hunt, even though I would probably do it anyway, but because it's so much fun. Even the duds, when I go hunting, the duds, it's even fun then just to go out and hunt, you know. And I'm sure a lot of you collectors would agree with that. So, but anyway, I'll let you go. I'm not going to bore you anymore. I just wanted to get a quick video out and let you guys know that I'm still going to put videos on here. I am looking when I get a chance. Just been so busy lately, you know. So, but anyway, I will let you go until the next video. Happy hunting.